Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having a recent price reduction, low miles, and loaded with features. Features also include iPod adapter, steering wheel controls, third row seating, MP3, hands-free Bluetooth integration, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Come test drive the 2011 Sorento. The Kia Sorento is a comfortable riding, powerful compact SUV loaded with impressive standard features. Take one look at its stylish, sleek design and you'll want to cross over to a Sorento, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: hill descent control, exterior entry lights, traction control, stability control, cruise control, trip computer, cargo area 12-volt power outlet, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.